Clear cases often struggle with yellowing in bulk, but the Speck Presidio Perfect Clear case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra proves that you can have protection without compromising on aesthetics. This year's model maintains Speck's reputation for quality while adding some compelling features that make it stand out in an increasingly crowded market. The standout feature has to be the impressive 13-foot drop protection, which doesn't come at the cost of added bulk. While most clear cases feel flimsy, Speck's advanced impact technology provides serious protection without making your S25 Ultra feel like a brick. The perfect clear coating technology is particularly noteworthy. After extensive testing, I haven't noticed any of the yellowing that typically plagues clear cases. I'm also pleased to see Speck embracing the magnetic accessory trend. The built-in magnets are strong enough for all your wireless charging needs and work seamlessly with magnetic accessories. This addition, combined with thoughtful design elements like the raised bezel for screen protection and the enhanced camera ring, makes for a very well-rounded package. However, perfection comes at a price, and the Presidio Perfect Clear isn't cheap. But considering Speck's two-decade track record and rigorous testing standards, you're paying for proven reliability. If you want to show off your S25 Ultra's design while ensuring it stays protected, this case is worth the investment. Just keep in mind that like all clear cases, you'll need to clean it regularly to maintain its pristine appearance.